Hi dear friends, today we will talk about speaking in a certain way that serves you. Why is that? Because, well, our language doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter what language do you speak. It is designed the same way that don't serve you really, okay? Um, and in order to have a better life, you need to change it to a positive. So I will give you maximum two examples because I, I don't like to speak that way anymore. So, for example, like if your like every mom or dad does do many times every day. So, oh, to say to her or his child, oh, watch out that you will not fall. What do you think it will happen, and what you're focusing on? What don't do that because if you do it will happen blah blah blah. So just stop it right here, okay? First you need to change the thinking, then it will then you will be speak differently, and of course you will have a different life. So for example, I can tell you how we with Tina done it in the past. This is a lifetime learning, or you can this is more like a more you are aware and more you are doing to your conscious development, more you will be able to speak differently. And in the beginning you will now, because you know that what you need to do to have a better life, what you need to do is just, for example, twist the words in a positive way. So for example, don't do that, just do that, okay? And then you will need to change that. So for example, I know that it is funny speak that way because you are not used to that, but it goes like this. You are doing great. If you just need to tell something, just say you're doing great. Just keep it that way, that you will stay, for example, stable, or something like that. Or um, I know it's strange. With, I also speak, for example, don't be afraid. Is better say be brave, okay? In that way you need to change the whole vocabulary. So every time you need to speak what you would like to experience, and that way you also need first change the speaking, okay? So before that, of course, is thinking. This is practice, this is learning. The best way is just to write down how is your daily words are on the left, and how you would like to change it in a way that serves you, okay? Because what you're saying, you will get this. So that's why not exactly the same, but for example, also if you want to say something, you can say just once, okay? For our example I was telling you. So I hope this will help you. Well, for us, definitely, it's many times better now, because we are conscious. We are in the now. When we are first we think, then we speak. Okay, and you can also take a time. You have more than enough time, like in this video. Okay, to speak in a way that is good for you. In that way you can step out of this world, so you are more like a living in this world, but not with the world. So everything changed that way. You see, every word or even a thought influence the emotions, and with the emotions you get the experience in this life. So when you change the thinking and speaking, so that this is more like your new habit, uh, afterwards it will also change your emotions to a positive or better or nicer, and this is automatically. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe to This Is My Love. Bye bye.